Post-US election celebrations hangover. This is what we're going to see on Spot the Markets, our weekly financial analysis up to the 15th of November. So we saw the major US equity index, the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ all down. The Dow by 1.2% down, S&P by over 2%, and the NASDAQ Composite by 3.2% last week. Bitcoin continued to bust through the 80,000, reaching over 90,000. And the other piece of news was that the Federal Reserve Chair Powell cautioned on rate cuts, sending both the dollar and the Treasury yields up and stocks down. If we look at the winners and losers for the week up to the 15th of November, natural gas, financials, and the US dollar were all up for the week. And the losers for the week were wheat, the Hang Seng, the Kospi Composite, and healthcare stock. We'll see in a minute why. Year to date, a picture of the financial market. Bitcoin is clearly one of the major winners, up by 112% year to date. Volatility increased quite a lot last week. We still see the NASDAQ and gold up by over 24% year to date, and the S&P, despite the correction, up by 23% year to date. If we look at the equity sectors, global communication services, global financials, and global tech remain the top three best performing sectors year to date, whereas materials, healthcare, and real estate are the laggards. If we look at stocks, Moderna, the stock was down by 5.6% after Donald Trump chose vaccine skeptic Robert F. Kennedy, as a health secretary, and that prompted a sell-off in the healthcare sector. Spotify Technology, they posted their third consecutive quarterly profit, and the spot was up by 11%. If we look at Walt Disney, they also reported a jump in quarterly net income and higher revenue, and the stock reacted positively. Spirit Airlines, 59% down, as the Wall Street Journal reported on Tuesday that Spirit was preparing to file for bankruptcy. Tesla, after the phenomenal rise, was down by 6.1%, with Elon Musk is going to co-lead what was called a Department of Government Efficiency. And then Honeywell International was up by 3.8% after Activity Investor Elliott Management disclosed a $5 billion stake. If we look at this week, we have on Monday, which is today, the 18th of November, more stats on the housing market. On Tuesday, we have 85% of the S&P companies having already reported results. There will be NVIDIA numbers on Wednesday after the market, and then Lowe's and Walmart on Tuesday. And on Friday, we will have the PMI index for November with consensus going for a 48 reading. Keep following Mercury Partners Academy socials. We have a product every day of the week. Follow us on our socials. And if you're interested in an internship, go and check it out on our website. That's all from me, Marcello Zanardo. All the best. See you soon.